Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download files from the Hostinger File Manager. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the Websites tab on the left panel. Here, you'll see a list of all your websites. Choose the one you want to work with and go to its dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, click on the Files tab on the left panel. Then select File Manager. Here, you can access your website's file by clicking on the folder of your site. You'll now see all the files stored in your hosting accounts. To download them, click on the download icon located at the top right corner. Then choose the format you want and save the file on your device. By downloading these files, you can create a backup of your website, edit your site locally, or transfer it to another host if needed. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your website files from Hostinger's File Manager. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.